Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and dive with practical in this tutorial how to have custom ringtone on any iPhones, either it is the latest one or old one iPhones. How do you have the custom ringtones like that here? See? So how do you have this, especially custom ringtone or by your own desire, by your own choice? Either it is any MP3 songs, any video songs, any movie dialogues, you can have here in your custom ringtone list. So don't worry, not required to download or purchase. You can have directly these ringtones. How could I have? Yes, this can be possible quickly. If you would like to have the artificial ringtone by your own choice, customized, by your own choice, if you would like to create, for creating, if you have already created and that's a ringtone directly you would like to import here, or directly you would like to firstly create artificial ringtone and thereupon you would like to import here. Both are possible here. So for creating a ringtones, effective ringtones, yes, you can go for virtual DJ. So this virtual DJ I have already installed and we would like to create one ringtone of this on higher scale. So let's see. I will accelerate. Yes, I will accelerate, especially volume level, and thereupon of course we would like to have a gaining with delay pitch. So gaining I have already taken and this pitch I will take up 14 approximately. We will have a little bit delay. This ones we will have a reverb a little bit. We will go with the FX vocal here, and thereupon of course we will come in a directly we will drag here any ringtones, any MP3, any movies, files, and thereupon from anywhere that you would like to create. Suppose here from here to here we would like to create, then here to here for 30 seconds, this can be possible. From here to here just we will have these ones. Here we will create here hot spot and thereupon hot cue. Now we will go in a especially setting. We will have a especially one record options, create on here, record here, go for save at on desktop guys. Here we will select especially desktop and thereupon we will save it. So this after creating it would be on a desktop file. Now we would like to have a especially one ringtone quickly. So now see guys, here on desktop there is no one. Now we will try here. See, just we will quickly start and we will play from hot cue 1. So let's see, 1 2 3 go. So this one we have generated on desktop. Just we will minimize and we will check it out. Here is now see these ringtones came here. Now we will have a especially we will go for an edge administration, that is a 3U tool. We will here connect a device with the help of especially data cable guys. Fine. Now as we see we are on a sound and haptic in a setting. Now we would like to have a here, so we will click on a ringtone options. So now here we have options to import. So directly we can import it also, but here if you would like to make, we can go for here also. we can directly import from the PC and we can accelerate the sound here also. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. From desktop we will have this ones, and this is a volume label of, now see, yes, now we would like to have a high scale sound. So volume here is 100, we can go for 20, 35, 40, have it. So now 41 we have done. Now we are going to here create this ringtone. Let's have, so now here we will type here TW, and we would like to directly import on my here. So just we will hit this one to import it. Now we will see here TW has been came here. Now we will check it out, the sound with quality. Now see. So guys, how easily you can create a ringtones at your iPhones by using PC or laptop at your home by your own choice. Yes, no need to purchase, no need to download directly by your own choice. You can have a ringtone at your iPhones quickly. This is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, have a query below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine to reply query. And if you found it is informative and acknowledgeable, then please don't forget like, subscribe and share up these contents, because it may be beneficial for those who are highly curious to have this kind of information, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.